Ngāti Kahungunu Iwi Inc. recently welcomed Melanie Humphries as its newest member of staff, joining the Te Kura team as Program Coordinator. The position involves the implementation of Te Kura and an iwi and police collaboration initiative designed to reduce family harm. After 19 years on the police force, Melanie Humphries, Ngāti Kahungunu and Tū Whare Toa, has left the police to take on this new role. We talked to Mel earlier and asked what her expectations were for this program.
So Te Kura is our locally designed program that is part of the police initiative to work with iwi around solutions for Māori and family harm. So the police initiative is whānau harakeke, and Te Kura is the kahanunu concept, which is based on our te oriori, which is pene pene Te Kura, where the whānau are our treasure. And it's our concept is that we are going to put we're putting the whānau in the centre. Anyone that's vulnerable is in the centre of all that we're doing, and the framework is around wrapping our supports around that whānau, especially whānau experiencing family harm, and how we can work with the police to bring about solutions for our whānau out there.
Mel, what specifically does your role involve?
So my role, I've come on board as the coordinator for Te Kura, and my role will be to bring those services together, put them around the table. Initially, it's around the looking at how we triage family harm as it comes in from episodes that police have attended overnight. And then we look at how we can work together with our Crown agencies and our NGOs to put a plan in place to help our whānau. Because I think, if you look at it realistically, what we've done in the past hasn't worked. So let's try something new. Let's try something different. Let's look at Māori solutions for our Māori whānau and the wider community as well, not just Māori. Te Kura is around the whole family harm concept and working with the police to bring those solutions in place.
Mel, you're a former police officer of 19 years. Why was this change so important at this time for you?
I think when I joined the police 19 years ago, I joined the police to make a difference. And I think in the 19 years, I have had some amazing opportunities to make a difference, but also to be the difference within the organisation. And the organisation, the whole mindset of the organisation changed quite a bit over those 19 years, and I experienced that change and saw that change myself. And so we went from that punitive type of approach to everything to where we were looking to partner with our communities to look at solutions. And I was lucky enough to be part of looking at the concept of whānau harakeke when I was working here in Hawke's Bay as a police officer. And it's really exciting to be in that space, to be part of that mindset change and to see that the trust and confidence grow.
Well, as a former police officer, you've seen some of the worst things imaginable. How do you transfer the skills you've learned to support this new kaupapa? Yeah,
I think that's an interest. Yeah, and you're right. I have seen some, to be at that first incident where you're there and you're the first person there and you're the person giving the support, whether it's wanted or not wanted. I think that for me, when I joined the police, it never changed who I was and what I wanted to achieve, which was to make a difference for people. So I think what I've done is I've taken that with me. I took that with me throughout my 19 years, and to be able to step into this space and bring our iwi along, in that space to give them the advice from that police perspective as well, because, there are processes, there are things that need to be followed. So to be able to tautoko my own iwi now, as we're going into Te Kura to offer the support has been invaluable.
What specific message for whānau would you like them to know?
I think the message is that, and I can say this from a perspective of having lived a life, having experienced family harm, is that, take every step, just take any little step you can towards a better outcome. set yourself a goal and don't, it's like I said before, it's a long game, it's an infinite game. So look at anything you can do. If you break it down to manageable parts of your life or your day or your hour even, that you can do something positive, and just be aware that we're there. If you reach out or if you're open to it, we're there to come along and help you in that space.
Melanie Humphries, Te Kura Program Coordinator, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.